Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set custom ringtone on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. In this video, I will show you a simple method to customize the ringtone of your iPhone. Now, first of all, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Tap on Open. Then tap on Continue. Select Allow. Then tap on the X icon. Now on this screen you will find the option of free ringtones. Just tap on See More, and from here just select any custom ringtone which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to set the selected ringtone as the default ringtone for your iPhone, just tap on the download icon and select Set on Device. Tap on Continue and then tap on More, and from here just select Use as Ringtone. And by doing that, you will set the selected custom ringtone as the default ringtone of your iPhone. And this is how you can set custom ringtone on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.